The Deputy Auditor General of Canada got straight to the point at a press conference in Whitehorse Wednesday. The Yukon is falling short in protecting the safety and well-being of vulnerable children and families.
These findings and the underlying gaps in governance and oversight reveal a child and family services system that is not effectively protecting the young people who depend on it the most.
The new report on the territory's Family and Children's Services Department found serious gaps in child protection services.
Yukon's Department of Health and Social Services must act urgently to strengthen its child protection services to support the well-being of children, youth, and their families.
Among its findings, the department failed to assess the need for protective intervention within the mandated 24-hour window in 37% of child harm allegations. It did not meet the requirement to have face-to-face contact at least once a month with children in care in 74 of the cases examined, and it failed to complete cultural plans for about 90% of Indigenous children in care.
So unfortunately, the Auditor General's report was nothing surprising.
The Council of Yukon First Nations says the findings echo issues it's been raising for years. Its executive director says about 98% of kids in care in the territory are Indigenous, and that First Nations must play a greater role in fixing the system.
It's really important that Yukon First Nations are collaborative decision makers in everything from the legislative and policy framework to actually delivering of the supports and services.
The report's recommendations include improving compliance monitoring, reviewing staffing levels, and collaborating with Indigenous partners to complete cultural plans for Indigenous children in care.
Our hope is that the outcomes will improve for these children and families.
The Yukon government has accepted the report's recommendations. Health and Social Services Minister Brad Cathers says the government is taking the report's findings seriously and work is already underway to improve the system. Sarah Connors, APTN National News, Whitehorse.